Ever noticed one side of your body feels stronger, more controlled, even looks bigger? You're not imagining it. And no, it's not random. Almost everyone has a stronger side. Left versus right, push versus pull, balance versus imbalance. The difference is, most people ignore it until it starts affecting their progress. Your body has a dominant side, just like you have a dominant hand. That side activates faster, produces more force, feels more natural. So during exercises, it takes over, even when you think both sides are working equally. They're not. Here's the problem. When your stronger side takes over, your weaker side does less work. Over time, strong side gets stronger, weak side falls behind, and the gap grows, slowly, but consistently. You might notice one arm fatigues faster, one side shakes more, bar tilts during lifts, one side looks slightly bigger. And here's the worst part. Most people ignore it. This isn't just about looks. Imbalances can lead to poor form, reduced strength, higher injury risk, because your body starts compensating, and compensation leads to problems. So how to fix it? Use unilateral exercises. Train one side at a time. Dumbbell press, single arm rows, lunges, single leg work. This forces both sides to work equally. Start with your weaker side, always. Match reps with your stronger side, not the other way around. Control the movement, slow reps, no momentum. Feel the weaker side working. Reduce weight if needed. Yes, your ego will hate this, but control is greater than weight, always. Stay consistent. Imbalances don't fix overnight, but they do fix with consistency. Don't ignore it. Don't always use machines. Don't rush your reps. Don't train unevenly, because that's how the imbalance gets worse. Your goal isn't just to get stronger, it's to get balanced, because real strength is symmetrical. Fix this early, and your strength, form, and physique will all improve. Ignore it, and it'll hold you back. Subscribe to Major Muscles.